Hello students, today we are going to solve the fourth numerical. Question is written as the degree of static indeterminacy of the rigid frame having two internal hinges as shown in the figure. Now, in this figure, that is E, F, G, H, I, J, there will be two internal hinges as well as one hinge support at G and two roller supports at E and F. Now we need to calculate the total static indeterminacy, which will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. Now for the calculation of external static indeterminacy, the formula is R minus S. Now at hinge support there will be two reactions acting like this, that is vertical and horizontal. Similarly at E and F there will be roller support, so only one reaction in vertical direction will be acting at E and F. Okay students. Now the total number of external support reaction acting in this frame is 4 and we have 3 equilibrium conditions. So total external static indeterminacy will be equals to 1. Now we need to calculate here the total internal static indeterminacy, whose formula is 3C minus internal hinges. Okay. Now here C is the number of cut required to open the loop. Here to open the loop we required 1 and 1, 2 cuts will be required, so the value of C will be equals to 2. Now the number of hinges which is connecting here is 2, and at each hinge, that is at each internal hinge, there will be two members connecting at that internal hinge, that is this one and this one, that is this one and this one. So we had to subtract number of members connecting at that internal hinge minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 as well as 2 minus 1. So if we calculate from here the total internal static indeterminacy, then it will be equals to 4. That will be the value of DSI. Now if we want to calculate the total static indeterminacy, then it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy, and we just put the value of these, that is 1 and 4. So the total static indeterminacy will be equals to 5. That will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much students.